Hello everyone, welcome to my 2019 spring home tour. This is actually the first spring tour in the house that we purchased. So I'm so excited to share with you guys. This front entryway table you may have seen if you saw my last Target Dollar Spot video, but if you didn't, I'm gonna run through everything again. That way you know where everything is from. So over here, I just have a faux plant, and this is from Walmart. It was a really great price, and I feel like it's just really fun for spring and summer. My goal is to add like a lot of greenery, and then pops of pink is kind of the theme for spring, but just like a lot of florals, a lot of plants, just to like brighten everything up. This little planter is from the Dollar Spot, and then these books I kind of use all the time. I've had those. And then this plant I believe was from Michael's a few years back, and then one of these pots is from Michael's and one is from Hobby Lobby. And then this lantern is from Decor Steals, and then I just have like a little clay pot in there with like a little bit of faux eucalyptus. Then here I have a dough bowl that I got from Target over Christmas time. They had like this on clearance, so I found it at a really good deal. And then these bottles were $1 each from the Target Dollar Spot, and then I just put these faux flowers, and I love the pop of pink. I feel like it really brightens it up. Then over here, this lantern is from the Target Dollar Spot at Christmas time, and then I have this that is from their spring line right now at Target. And then I just added like the little stem. This was $1 from the Dollar Spot as well. Then back here, this scale is from, I believe, Antique Farmhouse. Then this faux wreath is from Magnolia Market, and then this candle is from Target, and the scent is Love and Passion. It's great for mango, smells amazing for spring. Definitely recommend it. Then this olive bucket, Target always has these types of buckets in their Target Dollar Spot like around summertime and sometimes even Christmas time. I believe I got this one last summer, but it wouldn't surprise me if they bring them back. And then I just have some eucalyptus from Kirkland's, and then some of these florals that I used over here, and those are from Michael's this year, and I use those throughout the house because I love them so much. I picked up some in like a dusty rose and some in this peach color, and it just makes my heart so happy. I love it for spring. Then the bottom, I kept it super simple just because right now I have a 15-month-old who's grabbing all the things from the bottom, so I just kept it super plain and things that don't break. So here I just have this this circular tin is from Magnolia Market. Then I have one of the houses from the Hearth and Hand line at Target. This little greenery is from the Dollar Spot, and then I have a faux candle, and then I just put it on top of a little pedestal, that way it's balanced with this one. And this is the same as it was for winter. I just have like a little faux green plant, the little bird from the Dollar Spot during their Valentine's line, and then another one of those wooden houses that came in a set. This is part of the entryway as well, and I just like to keep this wreath here all year round. I never change this because this is like my favorite wreath. So I keep that the same, but I usually try to change out the pillows to seasonal pillows. So this one I purchased from Michael's a few years ago for springtime, and then this I got during Valentine's Day from the Target Dollar Spot, and I thought they paired really nicely together and kind of went with my theme of like incorporating the peaches and dusty rose. So I thought that was a fun addition to the entryway. Okay, here is my gallery wall. I change this for every season. So in the top left-hand corner, I just have a welcome sign that's from the Dollar Spot. Then these two are kind of like my neutral signs that I have up most of the year except for like Christmas and fall time. And this one was a gift, and then this one my husband found at like a fair that he went to. And then this basket I got for Christmas, that was from Target, and then I just filled it with some eucalyptus and florals from Hobby Lobby. And then this is from Target, and then I realized my letterfolk board, I have it the same as winter time. I totally forgot to change it to a spring saying, so I'm gonna have to change that. And then I just have this shutter that I keep year round, and I changed it to a seasonal wreath. So that wreath I feel like reminds me of spring because it's like a brighter green, and that is from Magnolia Market. Then here I just have our little faux fireplace, and the Joel bowl I got from an antique store, and then I just filled it with like a bunch of greenery like lamb's ears, hydrangeas. These I picked up in different places. I put like a little succulent on this side, and then this pink, and then I put like a pink plant in the middle there. And then this I purchased from Target a few years ago. So I thought that was really fun for springtime. Okay, so here is our couch, and I again try to keep things pretty neutral and then incorporate the pop of pink. So I picked up these pillow covers, the black and white ones from Amazon. I got them in a 4-pack. So I added those, and then the beige ones I have year round. I always use those. And then this corner one here, I got that pillow cover from Hobby Lobby, and I love it. I feel like it's really nice. And then the other one in this corner is from the dollar spot, and then this pink one actually belongs in my daughter's room. I usually have it there in their like little reading corner, and I asked my oldest, I asked her if she would mind if I borrowed it for springtime, and she didn't really care. So she was excited to use her decorations down here. So I took her pink pillow and put it on our couch. Then on our coffee table, this basket is from Target. And then I just have some tulips there that I got from Kirkland's, and I love those because I feel like they look really natural. And then that glass jar was an old jar of burgundy that I emptied, and then I put some beads on it. And then that sphere, I don't remember where that's from, but I love the basket. I feel like it is really fun for springtime. Over in this area, I just have the decorations here I keep year round. The blanket I changed to like a navy one because I had one that looked more like wintry. And then this plant is from the Hearth and Hand line, and I just put it in a dollar spot basket. And then I just have some succulents over here on some candlesticks. Here is the table decor. I keep the table decor pretty simple because we homeschool, and so we're using our table all the time. But I just have this macrame table runner from the Opal House line at Target. It's really affordable, and I've been really happy with it so far. And then I did, again, some of those flowers that you've seen a few times, and those are from Michael's, and I just have it with some faux eucalyptus in a tall white pitcher. The pitcher is from Magnolia Market, but I found a really similar skinny white base from the Hearth and Hand line at Target that's a little bit less expensive if you're looking for like a skinny white pitcher. Then over here I have another faux window. That one is from, well, I bought the faux window from antique store, but the wreath is from the Hearth and Hand line at Magnolia Market. Then over here is our coffee station, and I always love changing this for the seasons. I added like a little towel there. I always like having one there, and I thought the green really went well with the pink. Since I have a lot of pops of pink, I thought that was like a nice addition to it. Then I did show this already in that Target Dollar Spot video, but I'll go through everything again. Here I just have like a little peony flower. Then I have a scooper, because sometimes we have like hot chocolate or different things, so that is really handy. Then this little lovebird is from the Dollar Spot during their Valentine. Then this bloom sign is from the Target Dollar Spot. And then this stand is from the Dollar Spot right now. And then I just have a succulent here. And then I have a vintage bell jar here. I still have not found stir sticks for spring. Let me know in the comments down below if you know where I can find some cute spring stir sticks, because I haven't found any that I liked so far. And then here, this is just like a spoon rest that we keep here. So that is our spring coffee station. This is the last area that I decorated for spring, and this is just like a little nook in my kitchen. I really don't decorate that much in my kitchen just because we have a really small kitchen and not a lot of counter space, so I don't like to take it up with decor just because then I feel overwhelmed. So I decorate this nook for each season. So I have this fresh baked pies served daily sign, and that's from World's Market. And then I love changing out the warmer for seasonal scents, and I also change out the warmer to like match the season. Then I have this white pitcher from IKEA, and I have some faux flowers from Kirkland's. If you haven't checked out Kirkland's faux flower section, they really have a nice selection. I feel like it's different than some of the other stores, and I really like it. So definitely check it out if you haven't. I hope you enjoyed this spring tour. Let me know what you do for spring, if you had a certain theme or if you use a certain color scheme. Thank you guys so much for watching, and definitely make sure you hit that subscribe button down below to see more videos like this. See you guys next time. Bye.